I just drove an hour and a half to get to this estate sale, so I really hope that it is worth it. Let's just say it was worth it. You're gonna want to watch this video. Wow, look at this crock. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. Is any numbers on it? Oh, it's $80, number 5. It's really pretty. Here's some pecan pickers. I decided I'm going to, oh look at the little cat. We're gonna go look inside and do a lap and then come back out here and dig. Yeah. Stop it right now, stop it. Do y'all see what I do see? These are all going in my bag right now. Oh my gosh, look at the hands on this one. Extra creepy. Can y'all believe this? Okay, this is the closest one I've ever found to the ones in my house. I'm gonna get this one. I don't know what the price is on this book. 60. That one is 75. I'm gonna get this one for now. This cabinet is full of items. Look at this blue and white piece right here. I don't see a price on it. Here's some cute little blue and white plates. Is there just one? Look at that precious little stool. I think I need that. And then what is this piece here? Let me take that out. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's $40, but it's very, very damaged, so I'm gonna leave it here. This cabinet is gorgeous. Look at all this red transferware here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. The little 8 cups with the little picture. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. The sale is so good, and we've only like just got here. Look at the little iron collection. $20 each. I love all of them.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've known him for years.
I really like these cats. They look like chalkware. Very primitive. Here's the kitchen.
This one, and there's 2 on this one. There's only 2. This one's the highest.
Look at this big wooden cutting board. That's really pretty. I might come back and grab this. Oh, look at this drawer. They turned it on its side. Put cookbooks in it. Rolling pin. Is this a box of little books? I don't know what this is. They're empty. But I like the way that it looks. I think I might get it. Another cute little cabinet right here. I like her. She's heavy. Metal piece. Little lamp. Here's a whole bin full of Barbies. I think this is like doll furniture. This room is packed too. Look all the quilts, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's filled with quilts. The furniture in here is so pretty. This place is packed too. I'm surprised I can even film. Look at all these little wooden boxes. Oh my gosh, look at this book. That's so pretty. I did not bring enough IKEA bags for the sale. Chickens, rabbits, birds. Look at all the birds. There's another pile of quilts right there. I'm upstairs now. It's getting very busy here. So I need to make a quick lap and get all the good stuff and then come back and look through everything very carefully. I love this pelican pillow. I thought it was handmade, but there's a tag right there. It's definitely old. It's a pretty clock. There's another room full of quilts. How do you think these people got so many quilts?
He bought them at estate sales.
Oh,
I'm sorry. You weren't talking to me, were you?
No, I was talking to you.
Yeah, he bought them at estate sales.
There's so many of them.
I know, and I'm tired of looking through them. I hadn't found what I wanted. My boys both wanted one. And I'm tired of looking through them. You know, some of them are not in good shape.
Y'all,
Some of them are not in good shape.
a whole room full of Santas. Oh my gosh. And this is like day 3 or 4 of the sale. And there's so much stuff left. I've been to a lot of estate sales. That one is up here. It is amazing. So don't go anywhere because we have a lot more digging and shopping to do. And I want to tell y'all about my amazing Black Friday sale I'm going to be having over on Whatnot. All of the items you saw in today's video or will see in today's video, plus lots more, will be up for auction at that sale. Also, I am doing the most amazing giveaway I have ever done. We're going to do a buyer's appreciation giveaway. So anybody who purchases during the live can enter to win a $100 gift card. It is going to be an amazing show. I'm going to have the buy it now loaded up as well. Tons of flash sales. If you are not on Whatnot, Black Friday is the perfect time to join. And if you use my link or scan the QR code right here, you're going to get a $15 credit to you. So you can go, you can get something for $15, basically free, right? And you could be entered in to win a $100 gift card. And if you have no clue what Whatnot is, now is the time to come check it out. It is an app where all day long they have auctions going on. Anything and everything you could be interested in: clothing, shoes, vintage home decor, plants, coins, trading cards, literally anything, guys. If you're interested in it, you can search for it, and I guarantee you it's either in the buy it now section or there is an auction going on. So y'all be sure to come hang out with me and these guys here on Black Friday. Now let's get back to the video. I'm looking through this closet here and starting a really awesome Santa collection. This dresser is so precious. It's $2.75. Be half off today. Ooh, the drawers work good too. This house is so much bigger than I even thought. Oh, look, more cute dressers over there. Oh wow, look at this piece. Spools, cotton. Oh, it's sold. All the furniture is so nice. Look at this piece with the bead board backer. There's a cute little drawer. I have a feeling I'm gonna be here for a few hours. There's so many rooms to dig in. There's so much stuff. Look at these suitcases. What is this guy? Ew, y'all. It's like spongy. Oh my gosh. Beanie Babies. Cute little stools. Is this another room? Oh no, that's the room I just came from. Look at this dictionary. It's the biggest dictionary I have ever seen. Oh my gosh, I kind of want this for my house. I wonder what the price is on it. How much for this giant dictionary right here? Do you know?
You have to ask her.
Okay.
That way it keeps me out of trouble.
More blue and white.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This piece is adorable. Where can I put this in my house? I'm not positive, but I think this might be the last room that I have not walked through. I don't know how many laps I'm gonna have to do around this house, but it's gonna have to be a lot.
This is slanting down.
This is an old piece right here. I think it might be an old doctor's bag. I think This is wood, not leather. It's a really cool piece. Check out this stack of falling apart Bibles. I'm in a bathroom, but I want to show y'all. Look, that old locker right here. Look at this cute little dresser. There's just like amazing furniture pieces everywhere. It'll be $50 today. Do I need this in my closet? It's so cute. This, he was using to organize stuff. Cute little bench here, here, here. Whole box of old porcelain insulators. Love these. Always gotta look up when you're at sales like this. So we have all these baskets that are hanging. I took this one down. Look, it's full of wooden spools. Is this an old camera? Bottles, books, pottery. Well, I would say that this was a very successful thrifting adventure. I got even more over there. Days like this, I am so happy to have a large car. That was the most amazing sale. I did not want to leave. I was there for hours and just kept doing laps and laps because I wanted to make sure I was not missing anything. Actually, that day, everything was 50% off. They were having it again the following day at 75% off, but since it was an hour-and-a-half drive, I knew I wouldn't be able to go back. So I tried to get everything that I wanted, and then I left and went back because there was something that I saw that I passed on and I couldn't get out of my head. So I actually got on the interstate, turned around and went back to the sale, and it was a cash only sale and I only had so much cash left. So I went up to the lady, I was like, can I buy that for this price? This is all the cash I have left. And she's like, yes, you've spent a ton of money. You can have that. So if you want to know what that thing is, you'll have to watch this video right here where I did a makeover in my hallway and I found a very special spot for that piece. And I also brought that piece of furniture home. I think I know where I'm going to put it, but right now it's just in the shop. So we'll get to that. But there was so much furniture. I literally wanted to take home everything. Such a good sale. Y'all leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite item. And of course, everything will be in my whatnot sale. I wasn't able to film everything that I purchased because, as you can imagine, there was a lot of people there. It was very crowded. So I tried to film the best I could, but everything is already preloaded. So if you go to my whatnot sale and scroll through the auction tab, you'll actually be able to see pictures of everything that's listed. You could also do pre-bids. So like, say you can't make it to the auction, but you really want something, you could say, oh, I would spend $20 on this. So you could put a pre-bid on that. And if you win it, then you don't even have to be there. If it goes over $20, unfortunately, then you've lost out on the item. But that is definitely an option if you can't make it to the sale. You can put in pre-bids, make sure you bookmark my show and bookmark any items you're interested in, because then Whatnot will actually notify you when those come up for auction and remind you about the sale. And of course, I'm going to be giving away a $100 gift card, so you definitely want to be there. So I'm hoping that I find an amazing thrifting adventure like this again real soon, but I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys.